To turn your drawing into a digital sketch with Sketch to Image on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, remove your S Pen. At the R command menu, tap Sketch to Image. Now, draw something. Tap the Output Style drop-down menu and then select Sketch. Next, tap Generate button to let the AI to convert your drawing into a digital sketch. Once done, here you can see that you will be provided with some result. You can swipe the result section to the left to see the other images. If needed, you can tap the down arrow icon or save icon at the top of the screen to download the selected image and then save it to the Sketch to Image album on your gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.